All right, so the brackets are in. They've been aligned against this piece here, so they should fit no problem, and it should be a nice fit. Now we're gonna put the pads in. These pads have springs at the top here. You're gonna wanna push it against the inside of the caliper retainer, and that will give it the tension, so you're gonna be pushing it down at an angle. You wanna make sure it doesn't slide out either, but kind of hard to do this one-handed. But you push it down. You push them down at an angle like this against this side and this side. See my fingers moving from here and here, and it should slide right in. All right, so I also added a little extra grease to the slides. All I did was I took these off. These are 0.5 millimeters right here and here. Or excuse me, 1/2 inch, not 0.5 millimeter. And they've got a thread lock on them. And this whole part comes off, and then you can take the rubber boots up and off, and you can grease the slides. And I'm just gonna put the caliper pads back in. Like I said before, making sure those metal springs are on the inside of the caliper to hold tension against the caliper to fit into the slide. Let's get these in. For some reason this is giving me trouble. The last 2 times it did not. There we go. Careful, you'll snap and pinch yourself. Okay, all right, so put this back on. Use the 3/4 inch bolts in the back with the star washers. So for whatever reason, this guy here is a 10 millimeter. Tried 7/16, didn't fit. All right, so these are all finger tight, and I will crank these down with a 3/4 inch. Make sure to pull up just a skosh on these. On the caliper rather. that. No noise at all. Nice and clear. And that is how you install the disc brake kit.